Hi, I'm Alkai Lee. I'm a backyard shaper here on Kauai. Hawaii. I shape what I ride and just make boards here for the local shapers. I was brought Accurate Planer today and I'm trying to get my first reaction of seeing it, so I can't wait to open it up and check it out.
Cool. All right.
But yeah, here we go. Wow. That is a work of art. That is super nice. It's amazing. That is a really high RPM. We'll do a comparison and I'll show you the difference. So this right here is a Skill 100 7.5 amp. This is probably one of the more desirable models. I'll just do a comparison here for you. So this is a 30-year-old tool. $500 on eBay. And there's 2011. That's cool. That's pretty stinking cool. Wow, nice to get one of these planers. That's crazy. It's totally crazy. That is so insane. God, that's crazy.
Like it.
Wow, Scott, I'm telling you, that is freaking so nice. That is insane. It's insane how... That's freaking insane. I could get used to this thing.